Hello everyone, welcome back to another Blender video. Today I'm just doing a random modeling video because of course it's the start of a new year and I just want to get like a few different videos out on the first day. So today what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking a chess piece and I'm just going to be modeling that. Now before I start modeling, I'm going to delete the cube and I'm going to remove the camera and I'm going to just add, and I'm going to add a circle. Now once I have this circle, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into edit mode, and I'm okay with having everything selected. I'm going to press F, and of course that's going to fill in the circle. Now E to extrude, and I'm going to extrude it only a little for now. And then I to inset, and we're going to make a face about that much. And now we're going to go into face select, and we're going to choose about 3 faces and then have 2 faces of space, 2 faces worth of space. And we need 6 of these. So now, because we have 4 remaining here, I'm going to select an extra one next to this and remove one here. So even if it's not even, it's still going to work out. So now we're going to raise this a bit, and that is enough. And now I'm going to inset this, make a really small hole or a circle, G and Z, and I'm going to pull that up. So that looks pretty nice. And now I'm going to choose my bottom face here, and I'm going to extrude this a little. Now you can probably see where this is going, and yes, I am making a rook. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to extrude this again, and I'm going to scale it and make it go down about that much, and we can check, yeah, that's a pretty nice size. And now what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to extrude it only a little, and now I'm going to extrude it the same size, and I'm going to scale it. And then E to extrude, I'm going to scale it a little, extrude a little. I'm going to scale it in again and sort of try and get that even point to here. Now once I have this, I'm going to go out and I'm going to start extruding this. I'm going to extrude a big chunk. I'm going to extrude another big chunk, and I'm going to scale this a little. I'm going to extrude another big chunk. I'm going to make it like half sized of the last one. Extrude it. And then now, actually if you need to, just extrude a little bit more. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing we did here at the top. I'm going to extrude a little, and I'm going to scale it out. Extrude a little, and scale it in. And of course I want to be closer in. I'm going to zoom in a bit when I do this. And now I'm going to extrude, scale, extrude, scale, and now I'm going to extrude it a bit, a little like that, and then I'm going to take a big chunk and I'm going to scale it in. Now we're not done, because at this point we're going to extrude a little, and we're going to extrude a little again, and we're going to make that little base. And then we're going to extrude 2 more times, and the last one we're going to scale in once more. And now we have this pretty nice rook looking chess piece. I'm going to go into object mode, and that looks pretty nice. I'm going to take this, I'm going to go into modifiers, and I'm going to choose the subdivision surface modifier to make it look more smooth. And that looks pretty nice. I really like that. So now what we're going to do, Control C, Control V, and we're going to add another one. And now what we're going to do here, I'm going to click on circle, and we're going to rename this. So double click it, and then we're going to rename this white rook, enter, and this is going to be the black rook, enter. And now we're going to go into shading, and we're going to color these in. So for the black rook, what we're going to do, new, and we're just going to make this a sort of grayish black color. Not fully black, but a sort of grayish black. And then for the other one, it's not white. It's sort of like a yellowish color if you look at the actual chess piece. Sort of like that. So that looks pretty nice. We can actually make this a bit more lighter. Pull that into the middle a bit. That looks better. And now what we're going to do, actually no, we did the wrong way. This would be a sort of brownish color if we're making that like a light pale peach color. This would have to be a brown color because this is the color set for what I'm thinking about. There is another color set, and that's black and white, but that's not the one I'm thinking of. So now what we're going to do, I'm just gonna add, and we're gonna add a cube. I'm gonna look at Z, so that one cube is going to fit one rook. So we're gonna scale it. We're just gonna make it like extremely big. Make it about that. And now I'm going to quickly check something. So I'm gonna check, I'm gonna go look at a picture of a chessboard. Can't see it right now, but it's on my other screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we're going to do, we're gonna go into edit mode, and I'm gonna click my loop cut, and I'm gonna change the number of cuts to 8. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna cut in the middle 8 times, and like that 8 times. So now, as you can see, we have an 8 cut sort of. So now we can color that in later. But this is also for the chessboard, which I'm going to quickly make. And this, let's go to properties, should be 0. Everything's just going to be 0. So now, actually let's change the Z location to 1. Let's see where that goes. Yep, that's right. And now I'm going to bring these two up. And we can't place them yet because we do not know where they go. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go into edit mode. And I'm going to click on face select. And I'm just going to select all of the ones that should be black. And I'm going to shift select all of these. A few more. Oh, not that one. That. Select these. Select these. Wait, oh. And then the final one's over here. Wait. 2. Oh, I might have done something wrong. Yeah, I did something wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, did I make... so it's not 8 cuts. We need to redo that then. It would be 7 cuts, actually. So the easiest thing we can do, we can just select this, delete all of those faces, go into Z, find out where they are, so it's over here, which is on the top, and then delete all of those faces. And now I'm just going to delete all the faces here. So delete faces and the faces here. Delete faces. And now what I can do, I'm going to go into edge select. I'm going to select all these edges here. Okay, wait. I'm doing it the wrong way. Yeah. And then we select the bottom ones. So there we go. And then F, and that's just going to fill in the side. And now what we can do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just going to, actually wait, no, I made it uneven. We also need to cut off part of the part of the top. So we're gonna delete that row or column. Delete that. And now look at it from here. So now all of these need a face, so I'm gonna come here. Okay, wait. So line it up. And then move it, look up, shift, F to make a face. And now I'm going to add some loop cuts. And let's see, I think 7 loop cuts should be enough. Or I don't know if we can. Yeah, so we can't. So instead, we're only going to do 1 loop cut. 1. And that should make a small loop. Okay. No, that's not working. So, I think what we can do, we can leave it like that. We're going to go into shading, edit mode, and we're going to select every other one. So shift select. And then select these. Select these. Select these. Select these. Select these ones. And now new, can make it white, black. And then because this is, you just assign it. Or actually no, let's make a new one. We're gonna keep that white and assign. And for these parts, we got an easy solution for this. We're gonna choose all of those, and then all of these ones as well. And we're gonna make a new slot for that, and we're gonna make this brown, as of like a woodish color. So that looks good, and we're going to assign that. So that looks pretty nice, I like that. And now we can sort of adjust it now and make it so that the rooks will fit onto the chessboard. So those already fit. I think we could actually scale these a bit more. And then, so let's look at the start of a game. And so that means blacks are on the white squares. So we're gonna put the rook here, put one there. We're gonna Control C, Control V that. And now we have another one. We're just going to put that there. we're going to move this rook here, and then move it into the corner. And now Control C, Control V, and we're going to move this over here. Now, we're just going to select all of these using Control, and now I'm going to look at it in X, the X view, and I'm going to move this down. So, there you have it. So for now, these are the only pieces I'm going to do. This might be a small project I might do. But for now, we made our rooks and we also made our small chessboard here. So thank you. That is my first project of the new year. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.